In this video, we can learn about how to create a full cPanel backup. Introduction. A full cPanel backup includes all account files, databases, email accounts, and settings. We recommend creating a full cPanel backup before any major data modification, migration. Steps to create a full cPanel backup. Step 1. Log into cPanel. Open your web browser, go to the cPanel login URL and enter your cPanel username and password, then click Login to access the cPanel dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Backup section. In the cPanel dashboard, scroll down to the Files section. Click on Backup or Backup Wizard, depending on the version of cPanel. Step 3. Choose the full backup option. If you selected Backup, click on Download the full account backup. If you chose Backup Wizard, select Backup and then choose the Full Backup option. Step 4. Configure backup settings. Backup destination. Choose the destination for the backup. You can either select to store the backup on your home directory, or if your host supports it, you can choose to send it to a remote FTP server or an email address. Email notification. Enter an email address if you want to receive a notification once the backup process is complete. Step 5. Start the backup process. Click on Generate Backup or Create Backup to start the backup process. The backup process may take some time, depending on the size of your account and server load. You will be notified via email or through cPanel once the backup is complete. Step 6. Download the backup file. Once the backup is complete, return to the Backup section. Locate the backup file in the list and download it to your local computer or preferred storage location. Conclusion. Creating a full cPanel backup is a straightforward process that ensures you have a complete copy of your website and data. Regular backups can protect against data loss and provide peace of mind in case of server issues or other problems. By following the steps outlined, you can easily generate and download a full backup of your cPanel account, keeping your data safe and secure. Thank you. We are providing knowledgeable content. Please support us by clicking like, share, and comment.